Today, we're speeding up our editing workflow by using stacked timelines in Davinci Resolve. Bust open Davinci Resolve and select your project. As you can see, my media pool on the left has a footage and a timelines bin. The footage bin has these clips. I've dumped all of them into a timeline I named All Clips. The real fun happens in my other timeline, named Rough Cut, where I'll be more selective with which parts of each clip make it into my final edit. Pros edit this way because it saves lots of time. But how do I work with both timelines? Open this menu and enable the Stack Timelines View option. There's one more step to making this stacked, but you could edit with these tabs like this. Here's an in point and an out point, and then I'll just copy it and paste it here. This can keep going. But now, I've saved the best for last. Close this, and then smash that button on the right. While we're smashing buttons, that subscribe button down there is looking shiny. Pop open the rough cut timeline down here, and give yourself more space to cut your clip sorting process time in half. It's drag and drop from here. Comment below if you used to use this feature in Premiere Pro, and found this video helpful. These videos are perfect for other editors, so make sure to share these on your social media. Thanks for watching.